Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today, the first Friday of the month. We have a speed test. It's Friday, March the 1st, 2024. Three regular puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. These three I will do a speed test. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but first I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. 3 regular puzzles. Speed test. That means no comments, no instructions. Yeah, once in a while you need to do a speed test to train your brain. Think faster. Yes, think faster. All right. This one will be number. Come on. Will be number. Let me zoom this in. Will be number 8104. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Wow. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. Usually, the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. A puzzle with 26 printed digits should be a 2 stars. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. And with the speed test, no instructions, no comments, so it will be faster. Alright, 2 minutes is already passed. Okay, 1. Here we have a 1. 5, 3, 7, 8, 5. Come on, 1. 3. Yes, 7. Come on. 3, 7. Yeah. 4. What's the number here? 555. Need a 4 here. 9. 9. Come on. 7139. Yeah. Think. Need a 9 here. 9. 2. Okay. 2. 1, 4, and 8. 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 4 here. 1, 4. 9. Come on. 2, 8, 4, 1, 5, 6, 2, 2. 2. 2. Come on. 4. Need a 1 here also. These 3, 7, 6. Need a 5 here. 5. 7, 6, 9, 5. 5 here. Need a 5 there. 5. Come on, come on, come on. 8. Need an 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. That means the 9 should be here, and the 7 and the 6 goes there. 4, 3, 7, and the 6 here. 2, 9, 7 and the 6, 2, 9, okay. 7 and the 6, and the 6 here also. Good. 7, 7, 7, 7. How about here? 7, 3, and that. 7, 3, and that. 6, 7, 3, and a 6, 7, 3, and a 6, 7, 3, and a 6. No, 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 no. Need a 4 here. 4, 9, 4, 9, 7, 6, 7, 9, 4, 6 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No 6 here. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Oh, difficult. No, 8, 4. Come on, come on. Ah, we have a 4 here. This should be a 1. This should be the 4 then. These are 3, 1, 1. Need a 1. 3, 6, 7. 3, 3, 6, 7. 3, 3, 6, 7. 3, 7, 6. So 7 and a 3 here. 7, 3. Need a 6 here. Okay. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need a 2 there. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. 2, 1. Here should be 1. Here should be the 4. 2 and the 5. Well. 5. Here should be 7 and a 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 9. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Here. Oh. We have a 5 here. This should be the 5. Need a 5 here. Okay. 4, 6, 8. No 4 here. 4, 4, 6, 8. 8. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 4, 3. No. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3 and a 9. No, this should be the 3. This should be the 9. Here. 7, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 here. This should be the 3. 7 and a 6. Should be here. 7 and a 6. Need a 8. Need a 5. No, need a 9 here. Need a 7, 6, and a 1, 2, 3. An 8. Need 8 here. Come on, come on. This is taking too long. 4, 3. 7, 6, 8, 5, 5, 2, 5, 2, 9, 2. Oh, we have a 9 here. This box can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be 6. Can be 7. 6 or an 8. Here 6, 8, and a 4. 6, 8, 2. It's gonna be 5. 6, 8, and need a 7 here. 7 here. 7 and the 7 and a 6. These 4. Oh, we have 3. This should be the 3. This should be the 4. This should be the 4 then. 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and an 8. Yeah. 6, 8. Come on. 7, 6, and 8. 7, 6, and 8. Need a 7 here. Yeah, need a 7 here. That means we have a 7 here, need a 7 there. So 7 could be here, could be there. Okay. 8, need a 8 here. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Could be an 8. But here 6 and 8. We have a 4 here. This should be the 4. 9, 6 and 8. We have 8. This should be the 6. This should be an 8. This should be the 6. 5, 2. This should be the 8. 8, 5. This should be a 7. This should be 6, 7. 5, 2, 5, 2, 2. This should be the 2. This should be the 9. And 1 box left should be the 6. 1 box left. 6, 6, 6. 2, 7, 8. 8, 8. Need an 8 there. 7 and a 6. 7, 6. 7, 6. 30 minutes minus 2, 11 minutes. Well, not pleased with the time. 11 minutes. Well, this one I have difficulties. Anyway, we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. The 4-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.